Every year I'm looking for special Christmas decorations for my Christmas tree. Last year I got this cute Santa. But this year I found this lovely Lego set. It is a set of 3 gingerbread men. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Four packets and instructions. I feel this is going to be fun build. Let's build. The base design for all 3 gingerbread men is the same, so I'll start by showing you how to build the first one. The color of gingerbread man is so close to real gingerbread dough. I've finished building the base and now it's time for the fun part, decorating. Let's add some festive details to really bring these gingerbread man to life. Look at these croissants, they look so yummy, I almost want to eat them. The first gingerbread man is finished. Just look how cute he is, I'm so happy how it turned out. Let's move on and build the second one. It's going to be just as adorable. The second gingerbread man is all done, and doesn't he look as cute as the first one? I love how these turn out. Now it's time to build the third one. Let's complete the trio and see how adorable they all look together. And here it is, the third gingerbread man is finished. All 3 gingerbread men come with little hooks. I'm still not sure which one is my favorite. They are all so cute in their own way. Is it time to eat them? Nah. Instead, let's hang them on my Christmas tree. And here they are. Gingerbread man ornaments look so lovely on my Christmas tree, really making it extra special this year. I'm very happy how they turned out. Thanks for watching.